I'm Erin Bogar. I took Jim's workshop back in December, the happiness workshop, and it was really good timing for me because I was in job transition and I was trying to figure out exactly what I wanted to do and what I wanted my next step to be. And the workshop was a really good time for reflection. Jim really set it up so we spent a lot of time writing and reflecting on where we've been and where we want to go and really what we want to center our lives around. And our group was a good size of about 10 people, and Jim set it up so we felt very comfortable being vulnerable with each other, but knowing that you only had to share as much as you wanted to. And then you could keep things to yourself as well. So it was a nice dynamic that way. I found it very therapeutic, and also I found that we walked away with action steps of sort of making a plan for what you want to take away from this workshop and mostly what you want to change in your life because of it. So I highly recommend it. I think it's a great use of time.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, make sure to share with your friends, and then also you can click the red subscribe button in the corner there to get regular video updates from me. Hope you find that helpful. Take care. Thanks.